Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Sachin Bansode, BANTC student from Sinhagad College of Engineering, Vadgaon, Pune. I'm here with my to present our research paper on wild animal detection and prevention, intrusion prevention system using CNN in front of you in the under the guidance of Dr. S.R. Ganorkar sir and Dr. R.P. Patil ma'am and Dr. M.B. Mari sir. Uh, then this is the content of our presentation. Then introduction. As we all know, India is a agriculture country, and most of the farms are near jungle. So wild animal like boar and monkey damage the good crops, which affect the farmers more. So to solve this issue, we are presenting our solution where will are using machine learning model to detect the animal intrusion in field, and then with GSM model it will be notify the farmer and nearest forest department produce sound which scares them like sound of the firecrackers. After that, the literature review. Before we starting working on our system, we done some research by reading other research paper. We find out there were the limitations like they were costly, not optimized live surveillance, which caused the maximum battery consumption, and also it contains harsh method like the electric pacing and needed human interaction. So we try to overcome from this. After that, here it is the block diagram of our project, and it will be how will the project works. In the project, we use the PIR sensor, Raspberry Pi, servo motor, camera, GSM module, and the speakers. The PIR sensor uh, detect the motion, and it transmit output to the Raspberry Pi. Then servo motor is connected to the Raspberry Pi, and it is responsible to rotate the camera. And after that, the camera capture the images and send to the Raspberry Pi. Raspberry Pi, in our project, the Raspberry Pi serves as primary processing unit which perform the task of image processing on the captured images. The Raspberry Pi executes complex algorithm and manipulate the image data to extract relevant information from the image. Once the image processing is completed, the Raspberry Pi sends the output to the GSM module and the speakers. If a wild animal is detected, the system provides input to the speakers and also the GSM module. And if a domestic animal or human is detected, it send the input to the only GSM module. After that, the application to prevent from the crop damage or the from accident, farmer can be use it in their field, and also can be it is used near a railway track in the forest, and also peoples living near forest areas or mountain, they can also use it. After that, the performance parameter, in that the accuracy means the how many percentage of correct prediction made up by the models. And in our model, during the evaluation process, the model achieve a detection accuracy of 80% for the monkey, and the 80 to 85% for the boar images. After that, uh, the response time of the model is detect an image in the 1500 milliseconds. And the scalability, in the scalability, to increase the number of animal that the model needs to detect can potentially degrade the model's performance, essentially when deploying it on a Raspberry Pi device. This is due to the limited memory size and processing power of the Raspberry Pi, which it can contain the model ability to handle large amount of the data. After that, the conclusion. In this study, a wild animal detection and the intrusion prevention system using CNN was proposed, which is designed to reduce crop damage and increase farm yield by detecting and repelling wild animals. The purpose system was implemented using the TensorFlow and the mobile net architecture and achieved a detection accuracy of 70% for the monkey and 80% for the boars. After that, the future scope to increase the accuracy and speed, a more powerful computer can be used instead of the Raspberry Pi. The model can be powered using the solar panel, and also the system can also include bird detection and the intrusion avoidance features. After that, here result and the discussions. The monkey detected in the frame with the yellow rectangle box around it, and also here detecting the uh, detecting the boar image by green rectangular box around it, and we refer these references for our projects. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.